Without further ado, let us welcome Mr. Patrick Healy, Cathay Group Chair, on the stage to deliver a welcoming remarks. Pat, please.
Thank you very much, Max, and a very warm welcome to everybody. Thank you so much for joining us here this evening. And first of all, let me extend a very warm welcome to the Secretary for Transport and Logistics, Mabel Chan. Also a very special welcome for the Deputy Commissioner of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of the People's Republic of China, Mr. Li Yongsheng. Welcome also to the Honourable Andrew Leung, President of LegCo. We also have the Airport Authority Chief Executive, Vivian Cheung, with us. Welcome, Vivian. And also, of course, Captain Victor Liu, Director General of the CAD. Welcome, Victor. And to all of our other guests, all of our distinguished guests, thank you so much for joining us this evening. We really appreciate your presence here. Well, I couldn't be more excited to welcome you all to the celebration of the Cathay Group's 100 destinations. And of course, that's across our two airlines, Cathay Pacific, as well as HK Express. So for almost 80 years now, Cathay has been proudly connecting Hong Kong to the world by continuously expanding our global footprint. And in the past 2 years alone, we've added 30 new passenger destinations. As you just saw in the video, that's 18 new destinations this year alone, and still counting, as the video said. So that rate of expansion, that rate of network expansion, is at an unprecedented level for Cathay Pacific. So that's allowed us to reach this milestone of 100 destinations comfortably ahead of our original schedule. So congratulations to everyone on the Cathay team who's worked so hard to make that happen. But that's not the only record that we're breaking. So our current investment program, which is over $100 billion, and that's across our entire offering of fleet, of cabin products, lounges, digital services. That investment program is also the most ambitious and largest in the company's history. And of course, we have to continue to invest. It's important that we take full advantage of the amazing new 3-runway system we now have available to us at the Hong Kong International Airport. So all of this reaffirms our determination to become one of the world's greatest service brands and to demonstrate our wholehearted commitment to the Hong Kong International Aviation Hub, because that, of course, at the end of the day, is what enables all of Hong Kong's 8 centres to thrive. Now, none of this would be possible without the outstanding support that we always receive from the Hong Kong SAR government. So I'd just like to take the opportunity this evening to say thank you once again and express our sincere appreciation to the Transport and Logistics Bureau, Mabel and your team, to the Civil Aviation Department, Victor and your team, and of course to the Airport Authority, Vivian and your team. Their support has always been supremely outstanding, and we appreciate it very much. So what we need to do is to continue to work hand in hand with our government partners, with all of our stakeholders, to continue to provide our customers with even greater choice and convenience while optimizing the growth and development of the Hong Kong International Aviation Hub. And you can rely on us to do that. Thank you very much.